hope you're all having an amazing weekend. We're starting our week 2 tomorrow, stage 2 of our habit building. And minute by minute, we're making our way to seeing the light of day 30 minutes earlier. I'm feeling pretty good about it. I mean, 5 minutes last week wasn't bad at all, although I'm still trying to not snooze my alarm, which is my weakness, but so far so good, so thank you for keeping me accountable. And actually, 5 minutes doesn't seem like a lot, but I actually noticed a difference. Mostly in that 5 minutes, I was able to tidy the house a little bit in the morning, which I really like being able to do. It felt really good to be able to get that little bit of housekeeping done before getting my day started. So yeah, good start. This week for stage 2, we're amping it up a bit, not a ton, but we're going to 10 minutes earlier. So that's just 5 minutes more than last week. In a way, it almost I think seems too easy, but I think that's the point, right? These small increments that are easily achievable eventually will get us to that end goal of 30 minutes earlier, and we'll actually be able to stick with it long term. So I hope you've been keeping track of your successes in the success tracker, or daily habit tracker. I'd love if you could jump on into the comments here and just let me know how you're doing with it. If you've been finding it easy, if you've been finding it difficult, if you've found any time in your day, that would be awesome. And I will look forward to hearing from you. Good luck with it all, everybody. Enjoy your week. I'm super proud of us. Go team! Yeah.